Maintenance and inspection requires employees to give their full attention to the task at hand. You can't afford dangerous errors or costly rework. Whatever they're servicing, automobiles, utilities, industrial equipment, anything that frees up their hands and eyes makes their work safer, more efficient, and more accurate. Honeywell Voice empowers them with voice-guided workflows so they can focus on what matters. No more shuffling papers, less handling of mobile devices. Every step of the process is communicated by the system. Every result confirmed by the technician, with a choice of more than 40 languages.
정상.
Normal.
Listo.
Normal.
Tedious and error-prone data entry is replaced by voice-guided accuracy. Best of all, employees have their eyes up and hands free, so they can apply their full expertise. For example, technicians can run through a series of checklists, reporting on quantity of parts, maintenance needs, or even step-by-step data retrieval for product validation. With Honeywell Voice, you can accelerate maintenance and inspections while improving quality, safety, and the employee experience. Discover how Honeywell Voice can transform your operations.